Good morning, student. Today we discuss your very important chapter, class 10th, coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, we already discussed in class 8th and 9th also. Now here we know that the coordinates we divide into four: first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinates, and fourth coordinates. We divide this one is the first coordinate, second, third, and the fourth coordinate. We know that all is a positive. Here is a negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, and negative, positive, negative. First coordinate, second, third, and fourth. Clear? Now we discuss here uh, the coordinate geometry. Here we discuss three topics here: distance formula. First one here discuss the distance formula. Second we discuss here section formula, and third is area of triangle. अभी तक हम एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स को पढ़ते आए हैं, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स को निकालना पढ़े हैं, लेकिन इस बार जो आपके सीबीएसई ने कोरोना वायरस की वजह से 30% सिलेबस लेस कर दिया है, तो इसमें इस टॉपिक को इन्होंने क्या कर दिया है, कैंसिल कर दिया है, एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल्स को हटा दिया है। लेकिन हम इस पर कुछ फार्मूलाज और कुछ चीज़ें डिस्कस करेंगे, क्योंकि आने आपको 11th क्लास में इसकी आवश्यकता पड़ सकती है। Is the requirement in the 11th class. So we discuss these points, but it's not important of the point view of the examination 2020 and 21. Clear? Now here is the coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. In a coordinate geometry, we discuss here 3 points. Here is area of triangle. Area of a triangle. Area of triangle. This topic is not discussed. Now first we find here distance formula. What find here? Distance formula. We discuss in a distance formula and its uses. Distance formula क्या है और उसके uses क्या है। अब distance formula में हम first चीज जाएंगे finding distance between two points. अगर दो points दिए हैं, point A और point B, अगर इनके बीच की हमें डिस्टेंस निकालनी है तो उसके बिटवीन द फाइंड द डिस्टेंस, इनके बीच की डिस्टेंस हमें फाइंड करना है, तो हम वहाँ पे फाइंडिंग डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पॉइंट्स, एंड सेकेंड फाइंडिंग डिस्टेंस बिटवीन अ पॉइंट एंड ओरिजिन। अब यहाँ पे हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, दूसरा क्या हो सकता है डिस्टेंस फार्मूला, दूसरे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस क्या हो सकते हैं कि फाइंडिंग डिस्टेंस बिटवीन अ पॉइंट एंड अ ओरिजिन। ओरिजिन और एक पॉइंट से, मान लीजिए ये ओरिजिन हो गया, ओरिजिन से और इस पॉइंट के बीच की जो डिस्टेंस हमें निकालना होगा, वहाँ पे हम डिस्टेंस फार्मूला को यूज कर रहे हैं। एंड थर्ड वी डिस्कस हियर द शोइंग द कोलिनियरिटी ऑफ द थ्री पॉइंट्स। मतलब कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स, जब एक ही रो में 3 पॉइंट्स हों, तो दीज पॉइंट्स से द कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स ए बी सी। we say that these points are the collinear. So we showing the collinearity of 3 points. Third point we discuss here the showing the collinearity of the 3 points. Now we discuss here the next portion. We discuss here the section formula. We discuss here the section formula and its uses. In the section formula, uses is divided in 3 parts. So this one is the first one here, centroid of the triangles and its coordinate. किसी भी ट्रायंगल के उसके सेंट्रॉइड को फाइंड आउट करना और उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या है। सेकेंड पॉइंट भी सेक्शन फार्मूला से हम क्या फाइंड कर सकते हैं, मिड पॉइंट्स फार्मूला एंड इट्स यूजेस। मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला क्या है और उसके यूजेस क्या है, उसको हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे। एंड थर्ड पॉइंट वी डिस्कस फाइंडिंग कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ अ पॉइंट dividing a line segment in the ratio of k/1। अब यहाँ पे हम जो थर्ड पॉइंट हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं किसके थ्रू, सेक्शन फार्मूला के थ्रू। तो फाइंडिंग कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ अ पॉइंट एंड डिवाइडिंग अ लाइन सेगमेंट्स द रेशियो k/1, and this इस इसके थ्रू हम क्या फाइंड कर सकते हैं कि फाइंडिंग रेशियो इन विच अ पॉइंट डिवाइड्स अ लाइन सेगमेंट्स। अब इसमें हम फाइंड करेंगे कि फाइंडिंग रेशियोज इन विच पॉइंट डिवाइड्स ए लाइन, मतलब ए लाइन सेगमेंट को कोई अगर डिवाइड कर रहा है तो उनका रेशियो क्या होगा, हम किस फार्मूले के थ्रू फाइंड कर सकते हैं, सेक्शन फार्मूले के थ्रू फाइंड कर सकते हैं। क्लियर? एंड हियर वी डिस्कस इज द थर्ड टॉपिक, एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल। एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल नाउ we not discuss here, but in future uses we use the formula here, but not is the examination point of view. This one is not coming in your board examination. So we discuss next year. First we discuss here the distance formula and how to solve the distance formula and how to find the distance formula. Now we first here we discuss here distance formula. Distance formula, the distance between 2 points. What we find here, the distance between 2 points. P here is abscissa is x1, ordinates is y1, and q x2 y2 is given by pq is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? So here pq is equal to difference of square of difference of abscissa plus difference of square of ordinates. Difference of square of ordinates. Clear? यहाँ पे हम निकालेंगे क्या कि abscissa के difference का square plus difference of ordinates का स्क्वायर। तो दिस वन इज ऑर्डिनेट y2 minus y1 का होल स्क्वायर एंड दीज आर द एब्सिस ऑफ x2 minus x1 का होल स्क्वायर। नाउ वी डिस्कस द प्रूफ ऑफ दिस equation, how to know to find out pq. Clear? Find the distance formula. Now look here, given the proof here, let here proof here, proof will let x and let x o x dash, let x o x dash and y o y dash and y o y dash, let x o x dash and y o y dash. Now look here, the figure here, when we start this the figure. Clear? This one is x o x dash y o y dash. Clear? This one. Clear? Be the two coordinates axis. Be the two coordinate axis. Be the two coordinate axis. Axis with origin O. With O. Origin O. Clear? This one is the origin. This point is the origin. With origin O. Clear? Let point P. Let point P. Let point P. Let point P. P here is the their coordinates are x1, y1. Let here the point P. Where this point is P and their coordinates is x1, y1. Clear? And point Q and point Q and their coordinates is x2, y2. Let point Q This one is a q, their coordinates x1, y1, and their coordinates x2, y2. Clear? Be the two given points and draw PM is perpendicular to OX. The PM is, this one is a line, join this one, and PM is a perpendicular PM is perpendicular to OX. PM is a perpendicular to OX and QN here is a QN is a perpendicular to OX. Clear? And PR. Now look here, the PR. Now here, this one, this point is R, and PR is perpendicular to QN. PR is perpendicular to QN. Is perpendicular to QN. Clear? This one is clear? Now, then here look that, then OM, here is, where is OM? Look here, OM, this one is a x1, OM is x1. Clear? Have a doubt? No? Now, ON, where is ON? Look there, ON x2, ON shows here x2, right here, ON is equal to x2. Clear? This point is clear? ON is equal to x2. Now QN, everyone, QN, look the QN and PM. This one, PM is a y1, PM is equal to y1, and QN, this one, distance is y2, and QN is equal to y2. Clear? PM is equal to y1, QN is equal to y2. This portion is clear? Now, look that here, can erase this portion. Now, here is given that PR किसके इक्वल होगा? PR is equal to MN. PR is equal to MN is equal to ON minus OM. ON minus OM. Look that here, ON minus OM. अगर हम इसमें देखें, OM डिस्टेंस here x2 और माइनस ON, So this one is right. ON distance here x2 and OM distance here x1. Clear? Have a doubt? No? Now here and let here and look that second portion QR. Everyone see the QR. Look that here QR. Clear? The QR is equal to QN minus QN minus what we get minus here RN and QN is the distance here we given find here QN is Y2 and RN. So PM is equal to RN. This one is a perpendicular, the parallel line. So this one equal to clear minus Y1. Clear? PM x2 minus x1 and QR we find here y2 minus y1. I think clear? From triangle PQR, look at the triangle PQR. This one here is a R is a right angle triangle. So by using here the Pythagoras theorem, we find here PR this one and QR this one. To find here hypotenuse. What find here? Hypotenuse. ये hypotenuse was 90 degree. So this one use here the Pythagoras theorem. Clear? By using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem. We use here the Pythagoras theorem. We know that this is the hypotenuse, this is a perpendicular, and this one is the base. So we know that in a Pythagoras theorem क्या कहता है कि हाइपोटेन्यूज पे बना हुआ स्क्वायर अदर टू साइड पे बने हुए स्क्वायर के सम के इक्वल. तो हियर इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ PQ स्क्वायर is equal to PR square plus RQ square या QR square. Clear? And now we look here. These things are given. PR is equal to x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 whole square plus and QR is given here y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 minus y1 whole square. So now find here PQ. So PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This one is your distance formula. Clear? Distance formula. So hence prove that here. So this is distance between the 2 points P and Q. Clear? Now here hence proved here the formula of distance. Now discuss some points, some important points of this related of the distance formula. Look here. Now, student, we discuss here the coordinate geometry. We discuss distance formula. Now, here the some points we discuss here. Collinear points. 3 points A, B, C are said to be collinear if lie on the same straight line. कह रहा है कि अगर A, B, C 3 points हैं, अगर इसको हम लें, हमारे पास क्या है 3 points A, B and C. A, B, C. Clear? So 3 points A, B, C are said to be collinear if they lie on the same straight line. अगर same straight line पे है तो then say that this one is the collinear points. Now B will be lie between A and C if अगर B between lines A and C, A और C के बीच में अगर B lies कर रहा है तो then say that AB plus BC is equal to AC. And A will be lying between B and C, then say that BA plus AC plus BC, and C will lie between A and B if AC plus CB is equal to AB. Now we discuss here some important points about the triangles. There are three points will form here. The first point here is triangle. A triangle if sum of any two sides. If a triangle sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Clear? Second point be an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle if all three sides are equal. कोई भी equilateral triangles हैं तो उसकी क्या होंगी? All three sides are equal. A, B and C. These three sides are equal. Three sides are equal. Then these three sides are equal. Say that equilateral. Isosceles triangle if two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle we know that the two sides are equal. AB and BC both are same. Then say that this triangle is a isosceles triangle. Now a right angle triangle line of the sum of square of any two sides is equal to the square of third side. अगर राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ले लेते हैं, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, तो साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस साइड ए बी सी, तो से दैट ए सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर. क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे ये क्या कह रहा है कि अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल इफ सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी टू साइड्स इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर ऑफ द थर्ड साइड. तो दिस वन इज द से दैट दिस पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. Some important points about the quadrilaters. A quadrilateral rectangle, its opposite sides are equal and the two diagonals are also equal. Clear? And square, all sides are equal. Two diagonals are equal. Parallelogram, if opposite sides are equal. And parallelogram but not a rectangle, its opposite sides are equal and two diagonals are not equal. And rhombus but not a square if all sides are equal and two diagonals are not equal. क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे ऐसी कुछ कंडीशंस को इसलिए दिया जा रहा है कि अभी जो हम डिस्टेंस फार्मूला यूज किए हैं तो डिस्टेंस फार्मूले में हम यूज करेंगे रेक्टेंगल को भी यूज करेंगे, स्क्वायर को भी यूज करेंगे, ट्रायंगल्स को भी यूज करेंगे. तो हमें इसकी प्रॉपर्टी को जानना जरूरी था. नाउ वी डिस्कस हियर द एग्जांपल ऑफ द डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. नाउ लुक हियर, this one here. Here is given that find the distance between the following points, pair of points. Find the distance. Find the distance. Find the distance. Find the distance between the following pair of points. The following pair of points. Clear? Now here is given that is the first pair is given. First pair here is given that 2, 3 and 4, 1. 2, 3 and 4, 1. Find the distance formula. Find the distance between these two. So use here the distance formula. So distance formula, distance is equal to calculate under root difference of abscissa square. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus difference of ordinates square y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? So use here the formula. Now here is given that x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3 and x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to here 1. Now put the value of these in this equation. We find x2 is a 4 and x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 here 1 and y1 here is given minus 3 whole square. This one is clear? Minus 3 whole square. To find here, what we find here? 4 minus 2, we get here 2 whole square and plus here we get minus 2 whole square. To here we get here 4 plus 4. We get here 8. Under root 8. Under root 8. Clear? So this under root 8, this one is right. What we write here? This one is right. 4 into 2. So this one is right. Square root of 4, 2 root 2. 2 root 2 unit. Clear? This one is the find the distance between the pair between 2 points. Clear? We discuss next things in next class. Okay.